Ali from SS7 Trader, and today's video is all about our new Forex Thunder indicator that is similar to Pro Thunder Volume 6 that we created for binary options, but we are moving towards Forex market right now. So we have Forex Thunder for Forex market. So today we can test in EURUSD and AUDCAD pairs. So last week we got some results on EURUSD and AUDCAD. So right now we have only these pairs for testing, and today we can test and see what's the results. And yeah, we hope it's all good. So if you already subscribe our channel, then good. If you not, then go to below and click on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to click bell icon. Okay, let's go to MetaTrader. Okay, we have, you can see it's Forex Thunder, and I already opened EURUSD and AUDCAD charts. So let's go to testing. So here we have AUDCAD. So I already selected Forex Thunder scalping indicator. So this indicator based on neural networks that we used in binary options. The technology used in artificial intelligence for robotics that we use in our indicator. So that brings highly profitable signals that first time we used in Forex and binary option trading. So let's see the results, and it's only working with M15 charts right now because we are going to trade short term. So that's why, and many traders like to trade short term and get some profit on daily basis. So that's why our team decide to go for a short term indicator for Forex. Then in future, yeah, we can go for long term signals for daily basis, weekly basis, hourly basis. So right now we have to see what the result was and just check on past market. Okay, let's select my month and set for today. Okay, so it's all 3-month history we can check now. So let's start. So here we have AUDCAD. Okay, now all set. Let's fast some speed, then we get some signals and we can analyze them. Okay, so here you guys can see we have this signal. It's a buy signal, and you can see it's a profit, and this one you can also see it's a bit profit, and this one also, and here this you can see this one is also a big profit in pips. So there is some low profit trades, but if you set your money management as we instruct you in the PDF book, where you have to set your mind about your risk management. Like if you if your target is 10 pip, then 2 to 4 pip is your stop loss, and 6 and 8 pip is your profit target. So you have to trade like this system with our indicator. So we all mention in our PDF book, so don't worry about all this risk management and other things. It's all in the PDF book. So here you can see it's really down good trend, but we got a buy signal there, but you can see it's in lows. So yeah, it's okay if we got some losses, but you can see this is a huge win on that level. Okay, it's a loss, this one, and it's in profit. This one is also in profit. Yeah, it's quite good. Let's run more. Okay, so here we have this one signal in profit, this one in profit, a loss one in profit. So it's quite good, and with our risk management and our instructions that we mentioned in our PDF about how to set your TP and SL, take profit and stop loss, then you can make easily daily your profit with Forex Thunder. And here you can see it's AUDCAD chart that we are testing on it. We are seeing its results. So here we have another good signal there, and now you can see on that level it's up in profit. You have to set your TP and SL to get your profit. This one also, and let's stop there. You can see this one is a big in profit gives. So yeah, it's quite good. And let's see about EURUSD testing. Okay, so select EURUSD chart and set the same. Okay, and apply your USD template there. Okay, it's all done. So guys, first signal, you can see that it's amazing result, man. Check this one, the next signal. So if you already money option trader and you have not used our Pro Thunder Volume 6, then I think you are lost of money, because if you already have Pro Thunder Volume 6, then you are making lots of money on daily basis. There is lots of guys and our clients making money with that, and you can see it's win in profit. So, and also in future we are going to send you Forex signals and the analysis on our official Twitter and other social platforms, social profiles like Telegram, Facebook, Insta, that we are managing right now, and our team active 24 hours on that platforms. So you can contact us for any assistance. So I think with my experience that the results was too good, and if you guys interested, then you can pre-buy from our website, and it's 30% discount already running. You can see it's a little bit profit trade. This one is huge profit, and this one for short-term profit trades. So it's quite good. Just you need a risk management and your TP and SL management as we instruct in our PDF. Check this out, this one and this one boom. So you can make short-term daily basis profit with our Forex Thunder indicator. Check this, guys. This one is a huge in profit. So I think that's it for today, and I will see you guys soon in next video. And you can follow us on Telegram and the Telegram link available in the video description, so you can join and get updates about Forex Center indicator. And the more pairs we can add, almost 20 pairs we have Forex. And yeah, for in future we are going towards commodities and crypto pairs. So yeah, it's a big project, so let's see how it's going everything. Then yeah, if everything fine, then you can see lots of our teamwork and our services from SS7 experts. So I think it's okay for today, and see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.